Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Friday live session, 14th of July. Time is now around 3:20. ISRO successfully launches Chandrayaan-3 onto the moon's orbit, and cheering that our Nifty also enters into a new orbit now. Friday close, weekly candle coming to an end, Nifty closing at all-time high. So you can see here, this is the Nifty chart. Yesterday Nifty had taken the support at 19,452. We all know, it had not breached day before yesterday's low of 19,450. Just within the 2 points range, it started moving higher, and today opens at around 19,550 levels. From there on, for first few hours, kind of moves in a sideways zone, and consistently there has been a upward moving pattern in Nifty. And after the Chandrayaan is successfully launched, very late in the day, around 3 p.m. is where we are seeing some good rally and good catch up for the day, and closing towards 19,620 on the futures. And on the spot, we are once again getting an all-time close of 19,592 or around 19,600. So even on a weekly candle, once again in this month of July, we are closing consistently on a higher note itself. Coming to Bank Nifty has to do still some more catching up. It is still below 45,000. We all know, the recent high has been at 45,747, and now in spite of late push in the index, it is still trading around 44,900. So if you see, Nifty is closing at all-time high, and Bank Nifty is slightly struggling in spite of late pullback along with Nifty. But already some indications are currently available in IndusInd Bank and Axis Bank that probably Bank Nifty also will start pulling up from here on. In fact, there are some signs of pullback in the coming week even in some of the other banking sectors, or some of the other banking stocks like SBI. So stay tuned for banking stocks. Looks like banking stocks will start performing in the coming week, and currently this week we have seen very good movement in some of the IT stocks, especially in TCS and Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and even the L&T Infotech along with Mindtree. So these are some of the stocks to be kept on your watch list, and start observing the movement and start remembering those levels, where is the recent high and where is the recent low, and then accordingly take the position which is on the long side. These are some of the IT stocks which are showing some positive developments, and looks like the next leg of index movement will be carried with large caps, and secondly mostly with IT sector. So IT is a turnaround story, at least for the coming few days, and Bank Nifty has been slightly underperforming, and with today's pullback also, it is nowhere closer to any decent levels where we can say it might go higher. But some signs of exhaustion on the downside is visible, at least in some of the banking stocks. We are seeing some pullback, genuine pullback on the upside. So that is the story for the day, and that is how the week has been. On the Bank Nifty, the weekly candle is not that very great, but then we'll have to trade as per the data, however it emerges Accordingly, we have to realign ourselves to the market movements and then be prepared for wherever the next reversal or the pullback or the breakout levels are. So how to identify these things on the chart is a science in its own and also a kind of an art. So if you want to really understand the mechanics of stock market, then we are here to help with our trading for living boot camps as well as trading for living mentorship program. In case you are interested to know more about this, you can call on the numbers that is being displayed, and let us once again convene on a Monday morning. Have a good weekend, enjoy your Saturday and Sunday, and in the meanwhile spend some time on reading the chart as well as some quality time in enhancing your overall knowledge, not necessarily about the markets, about any other subject that you are interested in terms of reading the books or watching some good movies or taking a family out, whatever is the case. Enhance your quality of life. Yes, money is very important to improve the standard of living, but quality of life is still largely part of other factors and not necessarily money. Well, we are closing. I think 1 more minute left. On the spot, Nifty 19,587 and on the futures Nifty is around 19,625. Bank Nifty futures 44,940 and on the spot we are seeing levels around 44,880. So this is with respect to today's session. A good pullback and in Bank Nifty and one more good close in Nifty. Let us all see how the Monday pans out. Until then, Om Swasti.